Hello students, welcome back. Now this video we will discuss the further part of the moment of 4. So let's start the further sums. Student, let's solve the sum. A uniform meter rule means it is of 100 centimeter placed on a fulcrum at its midpoint O and having a weight of 40 gf at 10 centimeter mark and the weight of 20 gf at 90 centimeter mark. Is the meter rule in equilibrium? You have to find. How can the rule be brought in equilibrium? By adding an additional weight of 40 gf. Let's study the figure. Now in the figure, fulcrum is at 50 mark because it is midpoint. 40 gf is at 10, 20 gf is at 90. Now you have to take the distance from the O point. One side distance is 40 centimeter left hand side. Right hand side also the distance is 40 centimeter. So you can easily calculate the moment. Now for solving the sum we have to draw the figure again. Now in the figure again I have taken 40 gf at 10 centimeter mark and 20 gf at 90. Now when you consider the direction inward circles, at 40 gf direction is clockwise but at 20 gf the direction is anti-clockwise. So always first you have to decide the direction. Now you know the direction, you know the weight and the distance, you can easily calculate the moment. Now when you calculate the moment at 40 gf, which is at clockwise moment, 40 into 40, the moment will be 1600 gf centimeter. While at 20 gf, which is anti-clockwise, the moment is 20 into 40, 800 gf. Now both the moments are not same. So very first question was asked whether the rule is in balanced form or not. No, rule is not in equilibrium. Now which one is more clockwise? So the rule will turn anti-clockwise, whichever part is less. Now, what is the difference between the moment? The difference between the moment is 1600 minus 800, that is 800 gf. And extra weight given to make it balance is 40 gf. So you know how to calculate. Let's calculate that distance. Now, it should be 800 by 40. The difference of moment divided by the extra weight. So how much students you are getting? 20 centimeter. So which side you have to put? Anti-clockwise. Which one is anti-clockwise? Right hand side. So you have to move 20 centimeter away from O towards right hand side. So your extra weight will be on 70 centimeter mark. Now student, let's solve the next sum. A uniform meter rule weighing 100 gf pivoted at its center O. Two weights are given, 150 gf and 250 gf. One is on the left hand side 40 centimeter away, other is on the right hand side 20 centimeter away from the pivoted point. You are asked to calculate the total anti-clockwise moment about O, total clockwise moment about O, the difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise moment, and the distance from the O where 100 gf weight should be placed, because the rule is not in balanced form, equilibrium form. So where should you keep this 100 gf? For that again we have to draw the figure. Now students, in the figure 150 gf I have taken on the left hand side, which is 40 centimeter away from the pivoted point, while 250 is on the right hand side and the distance is 20 centimeter. Now first you have to calculate the moment. For that you require the direction, and for direction always you have to draw the inward circle. When you draw the inward circle towards the 150 gf, what is the direction? Anti-clockwise. Yes, on 250 gf when you draw the inward circle according to the direction it is clockwise. So for total anti-clockwise moment, what you have to do? 40 into 150, that will give you 6000 gf centimeter moment. Same way for the clockwise, the distance is 20, weight is 250. So when you multiply 20 with 250, it will be 5000 gf centimeter. It is not same. So rule is not in equilibrium. So what is the difference of moment, student? 6000 minus 5000, that is 1000 gf. Now 1000 GF is the difference. You have to put the extra 100 GF weight, that is on the clockwise side. Okay, that is on the right hand side. So first calculate the distance. Now extra weight should be put on 1000 upon 100. When you reduce it, it will be how much, students? 10 centimeter. So when you want to put this 100 GF on the right hand side from O, you have to keep it 10 centimeter away. So it should be 10 centimeter on the right hand side of O. Then only rule will be in equilibrium. Now students, solve one more sum. On a seesaw, two children of masses 30 kg and 50 kg are sitting on one side of it. So either you have to take both the children on left hand side or right hand side. One is at a distance 2 meter, that is the first child, 30 kg. With first child with mass 30 kg is 2 meter away, while the child with 50 kg is 2.5 meter away from its middle point, that is a pivoted point. Where should a man of mass 74 kg sit to balance it? So if you are taking the children on the left hand side, man will be on the right hand side. Now let two children be sitting on the left hand side. I have considered the left arm. So they will produce anti-clockwise movement. So you can easily calculate the anti-clockwise movement. But there are two children. So what you have to do? You have to calculate the moment of both and you have to add the moment of both. You know the masses, you know the distance. Easily you can calculate the total anti-clockwise movement. So for total anti-clockwise movement, 30 into 2 plus 50 into 2.5. 30 into 2, how much, students? 60. And what is 50 into 2.5, students? 125. When you add it, it will be 185 kgf meter. That is the total anti-clockwise movement. So other side it should be also same. Now to balance it, man should sit on the right arm. Already we have decided. So if left hand side it is anti-clockwise movement, right hand side it will be clockwise. You can draw the figure and confirm. So for clockwise movement, the weight is 74, but we don't know the distance. I have considered the distance x meter. So your clockwise movement will be 74x kgf meter. Now initial it was 185 kgf meter, that is on the left hand side. Right hand side it is 74x. Now by the principle of moment, your anti-clockwise moment should be equal to clockwise moment. So 185 is equal to 74x. Now you can easily calculate the value of x. So your x will be 185 divided by 74. When you divide 185 with 74, what you'll get, students? 2.5 meter. So man should say 2.5 meter on the right arm away from the middle pivoted point. Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood the concept of the moment of force. Then also if you have any doubt, comment